actually brought a ton of peanuts just for the trip. So just roasted peanuts, and we were saying, can we feed them to the elephants? They're like, no, they don't.
They don't want peanuts. They want fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah, bananas.
But you know, in the circus, you see them eat peanuts.
Jeez, I know. It's a North American thing. Oh, elephant peanuts, right?
Yeah.
No.
Monkey, banana, elephant, peanut.
Oh, and pumpkins. Pumpkins and...
Going? Yes. I'm going to take another one.
We're off to see the elephants and feed them.
Pineapples too?
Mind your hair.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. You don't want to eat my camera.
Good morning.
What are they doing? Logging? Is this tourist camps? So it's tourist camps that are exploiting them.
Oh yeah.
And exploiting them in what way?
We're exploiting them in the respect that they're overworking them, they're underfeeding them, they're making them work too many hours. You'll see in the guidebook, I think it's the Lonely Planet section, says that the elephants, they have a page of
That's it.
Oh, hello. Hey, how are
So she'll stay here her whole life.
Hopefully. What most of these elephants here have been purchased, which means that they'll be safe forever. Some of them, like for example, these two mothers and two babies have come here on what's called the lease agreement. Lek has wanted to take them out of the situation. The owners have shown interest in selling but haven't sold. So she brings them here, and it ends up being literally like a health spa for them because she pays for the medical, she pays for the food, and there is a very real risk that at some point in the future they can turn around and take the elephant back.
Oh.
So what we're hoping is that these guys will be able to stay here.
Oh, he's just a month old. Is he coming to the river with us?
This is his family. So Mum's the one that's straight here. This is the mother, and these are the two aunties.
Auntie. Hi, Auntie. Wow, you're pretty smart.
This is more than I eat.
I should hope so.
Hi, Mr. Elephant. I hope you're in a good mood. Oh, do you want to have the
That one will be putting the sunscreen back on. Put them as well.
He knows we're not going to mess with him when he's playing with us.
Yeah, Mom's like safe.
Yep, totally safe.
Tag. It's like playing tag.
En ton, det är 100 kilo.
He never gets tired.
Yeah.
So we all went back. Come on, man, I'll play with you.